So here I want to explain my material. But before I explain my material, let me introduce myself. My name is Rajarinus Simamora, number NPM 2331036. Okay, let's continue with the material. List of question to prepare. Questionnaire. The questionnaire method is used in research or product development to gather data or feedback from respondents who have used or observed the tool or system in the context of the RFID based security door project. This method play an important role is assessing its effectiveness, usability, and user responses to the system performance. Okay, next. Questionnaire distribution. The first step is to distribute the questionnaire to respondents who have interacted with or observed how the RFID system works. Below are the steps involved in the stage. Okay, a good response rate is necessary to obtain reliable and representative data. It's important to collect responses from a sufficient number of participants. A higher response rate will result in more accurate evaluation of the tool and its functionality. Explain the importance and how to use it. Respondents need to understand the purpose of the questionnaire. In the case, to evaluate performance of the RFID based security door. Intrusion should be clearly explained, including whether the questionnaire is distributed via Google Form or in written form. This help increase participation and minimize response error. Provide a deadline for responses. Setting a clear deadline is important to keep the evaluation process on track. Respondents should be informed of the response deadline to ensure timely submission of their feedback. Okay, next, follow up on late submission. Some respondents might not complete the questionnaire on time. Therefore, follow up action so as reminders via message or in person. Okay, are, are necessary to ensure full data collection. Next, ask the supervisor to assist with follow support from the project supervisor or academic can help encourage participants to complete the questionnaire. Supervisor can emphasize the importance of the feedback in improving the project. Okay, next, promise to report the result. To build trust and responsibility, let the respondent know that their feedback will be analyzed and shared. This show appreciation for the input and ensure transparency in how their feedback will be used. Questionnaire follow up. After collecting all the responses, the next step is to analysis and follow up on the feedback received. These steps help draw consolation and profit insight into the tool's performance based on the both qualitative and quantitative data. Okay, next, send the results to the participants. Okay, once the data has been processed, a summary of the result can be shared with the respondent. This can be done via email, messaging groups, or present during a review session. It shows professionalism and transparency in the evolution process, and finally it assures participants that their feedback is valued and used to improve the RFID based security door system. Okay, that's all my explains. If not clear in explaining the material, I apologize. I'm the end. Goodbye. See you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.